go in the car or not. You know, there may be.
I got a BMW 2015 X5,
Part you get shipped with
front brake pad, and sensor installation. It takes
active training.
let's see if I can see this.
Include the 2-year AS degree in automotive technology that I probably
M7 torque bit. Remove the caliper. Remove that. Like that. I actually took my screwdriver and poured it in here, and I compressed the piston, which that's an easy way to do it instead of removing it from the vehicle and doing it that way. Okay. The sensor. Grab my sensor out of here. Okay. This gentleman, he don't want no rotors. He just wanted a pad installation. So that's all we're doing today. So I got the sensor. I got a new sensor. Put this in here.
I used to keep my jumper pack on
Here.
a bicycle chain to walk. The entire dealership would need jumper packs all the time.
This in here.
So I bought one myself, which means everyone wanted to borrow it. So keep in mind, this jumper pack that I spent $300 of my own money has now become a resource for the entire
Okay. Put that back in here. This is actually a pretty easy installation. I think it's not much to it. Put that there. That one. Let's see if I can get this in there. There we go. Okay. Got that one in. Put this in here. That goes there. Make sure this is on here so it won't come loose and rub against the wheel. Okay, take that sensor off. Put it off of there. Put that on here. Like that. Let me go get me a ratchet so I can
not a concern for the dealership. If you don't
tighten
have
it
the
down.
tool to do the job, that's your problem. I remember at the Benz dealership I worked at, they were replacing a soft top, and there was this Mercedes-Benz special tool that was kind of like the zipper tool to basically put the soft top together. And I remember our service manager saying, I am not going to spend $300 on this tool that we may only use once in the history of this dealer. I can see where he's coming from, but keep in mind, now the technician that's working on that convertible top has to either, well not either, he has to, on either his own time or his own dime, figure out a way to
okay, that's that. Here go my clip. Yeah, this is gonna be the tricky part here. Let's see, put this in.
If you don't have the tool, it's your problem. Later on, we'll get into the issues of why that's also a problem. Getting paid flat rate out of base pay. Technicians need to do almost every job in the service department. Let's go down the list. Scheduling. Typically, there's someone in the front office that schedules when a customer calls in and asks, like, when can I bring in my car?
Put it there. That's one.
Say you diagnose a car, needs this repair, and
Okay, this is gonna be tricky.
I need to do the schedule and go to the service advisor.
Okay, let me get my side cut. We're gonna knock this out one way or the other.
At this time in the morning, and I want him to bring it early in the morning so that I can get the job done for him in time because he has this appointment to make. All of a sudden, I am doing the scheduler's job. Service advisor. Remember I was saying service advisors don't have to know anything about cars? So if they need to explain something about what's wrong
Cutters.
with the car, describe the symptoms.
Alright, they're over here.
Guess who has to come out to the front and talk to the customer and do the service evaluation? Technician. It's in my job title, automotive technician. Parts department. Typically how a tech orders parts on whatever portal the dealership is using. I'll type in the description of the part, right? Like OCD on the side. And it is the parts guy's job to look up the department version. Usually it might be like a spacer that OCD.
Okay.
It is.
That's that one. Put that around here.
What ends up happening, because I don't want to lose productivity time, the tech will enable itself to
Lower it down so I can put this sensor in here.
find the related parts, type it out, and type out all that information.
Let me put you on pause. Now come back.